Hello guys and welcome back. This is how you can fix Roblox critical error field to reach client settings. So first of all, you gotta click on search here at the bottom and simply type in run and press enter. You'll be able to see this in front of you. So you gotta type down %sign, local app data and %sign and then click on OK. You'll be able to see this open in front of you. So you're gonna simply press R key and search for Roblox. Here, double click on the folder, scroll down till you find the folder of versions. Double click on it and then just select the folder whichever was the newer created. So for me is this one, so I'm gonna double click on this one. And here you're gonna search for Roblox Player Beta. Click on it once and then right click on it. And after that, you'll be able to see properties, click on properties, and you'll be able to see this panel open in front of you. So here, you're going to click on compatibility and make sure that you enable these two options, that is disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. And then click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, you're going to click on search once again and just type down run once again. This time, you're going to search for temp. So when you see this open in front of you, you're going to type over here %sign once again and just type down TEMP and %sign again. And here, click on OK. You will be redirected to a temp folder. So you're going to search for Roblox over here as well. This is Roblox. Right click on it and then click on delete. You got to delete any folder you see over here of Roblox. After that, one more thing you need to do is click on search and type down view network connections. So type that down and you'll be able to see this, double click on it and you'll be able to see all of your network connections over here. So you're going to click on your active internet connection. For me is this one. So I'm going to double click on it and then you're going to click on properties. Here you'll be able to see IPv4. So search for this and then click on it and click on properties again. Here, you're going to enable this option that says use the following DNS server addresses. And over here in the first one, you're going to type down 8 and then 8 again, 8 again, and 8 again. And in the second one, you're going to type down 8, 8, 4, and 4. After that, you're going to click on OK, and then you're going to simply restart Roblox and your issue will be resolved. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.